Hey you. Yeah, you. Do you want to know how I got this super glowy, gorgeous look? Well, all you have to do is simply keep watching. Hi beauties and cuties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, if you're new here, if you don't know what beauties and cuties are, they are some of the best, most fabulous, most slay people on the internet, and you should be a part of the fam. If you haven't hit that subscribe button already, please do so. Anyways, so today I have a very special brand event I'm going to later, and I wanted to do a little get ready with me. I just wanted to film like this YouTube video because I've missed you guys, and a very special brand sent me a PR package. The one, the only, Rare Beauty. Some little PR box ASMR. I'm very excited. Thank you so much, Rare Beauty. So let's open this baby up. We're gonna do a little kind of unboxing, get ready with me, featuring Rare Beauty products today. So let's get started. To begin, you already know the drill. I'm putting on my handy dandy kitty headband. Purr, 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 purr. I'm starting off with their Always an Optimist primer, and it's a silky primer that blurs and smooths the complexion with a natural matte finish. Remember that time on YouTube when ASMR was like the thing? Kind of miss it. I kind of want it to come back. This is how it deposits. As for my complexion products, when it comes to primers, I really like a primer that does blur, and it glides on so nice, and I do feel like it has smoothed the texture of my skin, so. Alright, so next we have their Liquid Touch foundation. One of my favorite foundations in the world. This has been my go-to, honestly, since I bought it the first time in like 2021. They gave me 270N.
The color match?
Baby, the color match with Rare Beauty is amazing. I feel like when I put it on, I'm like, am I even wearing foundation? Because it just like melts into your skin and it looks like your skin, but better. This is the packaging, by the way. Love the ballpoint. Very easy to open it. And also the coverage. Okay, so look at this baby right here. And I just want y'all to see how well this covers up. Like, where did it go? So buffing it into the skin, it's very easy. It's very buttery. Very buttery. See what I'm saying?
Are you kidding me right now?
They also sent me their skin tint, which has SPF 30 in it. I'll probably do another no makeup video to show you guys how that is. It's like just so lightweight, and it just really complements the skin. Okay, so for concealer, they did not send me their concealer, but it's okay. I'm using a concealer though that complements this kind of hydrating kind of complexion look that we're going for, and it's the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, baby. Lately, I've just been living by the mantra, a little goes a long way. So remember in like 2017 when we were all drawing geometry on our faces, like triangles and shit? Yeah, no baby, we are not doing that anymore. The e.l.f. Camo Concealer, one of my favorites because it's, first of all, it really also melts into the skin really well. I just want to brighten up the eyes just a little bit. I'm not doing like a full glam moment, even though I'm going to an event tonight, but like if you're taking editorial shots or like doing photo shoots, you can totally glam up. You can have fun. But I mean, who am I to say anything? Do whatever you want with makeup. It's a fun time. It's whatever you want it to be, babes. It's whatever you want it to be. Okay, so next up, I'm using the Rare Beauty bronzer stick in the shade Happy Soul. This,
Yeah.
she buttery. Very buttery to blend out. Oh, such an easy application. I also take a little bit on my hand right here because you'll see what happens. I'm gonna carve out the jaw because we need a snatched jaw tonight. I'm gonna add just a little right here. So I'm taking this product that I deposited on my hand, and I'm doing a little nose contour. When I have a good nose contour going on, no one can stop me. And then I'm just gonna draw a little button right here, a little circle, just to lift it. I'm gonna take this. I honestly forgot what brand this brush is, but I love it. I got it at like a Walgreens, very cheap, but I've had it for like a few years. But do you see how easy this bronzer stick blends out? Are you kidding me right now? Effortless, very effortless. They also released 3 new shades. One thing also I love about Rare Beauty is that they listen to their community, and I feel like some people were complaining how when they initially dropped their bronzer stick shade range that there wasn't enough shades available. So then they came out literally weeks later after that feedback. They came out, not weeks later, probably like a month or so later. They came out with 3 new shades. Look at that.
Who is he?
So I'm gonna take my beauty blender and see, I can pinch it. The black beauty blender is so supreme, honestly. It just is more flexible than the other ones. I don't know what this one is made of, but it just hits different. And then I just go in everywhere else and pounce, pounce, pounce until you bounce, bounce, bounce. What am I saying? Now it's brow time, baby. And I'm using the Brow Harmony pencil and gel, and I'm in the shade Deep Brown. I was very excited to receive this product because it's the first brow pencil that I have. Sorry. It's the first brow pencil that I've had that's double-ended. So this side is the pencil, and then this side is the brow gel that's tinted as well. Ooh, okay. It's very buttery. I feel like the common theme of Rare Beauty products is that all of their stuff is easy, blendable products. These products can, you know, complement your skin and work with your skin. I feel like the Rare Beauty products really work with your skin. All the products feel effortless, especially the blushes and the highlighters, which I'm excited to get to. This shade, Deep Brown, really complements my natural brow hairs. So I like to do little hair-like strokes. Ooh, cute. Very gorgeous, darling. It's very gorgeous. We're looking very gorgeous. Very gorgeous. I'm very blessed and very grateful with natural, thick brow hairs. Took me a while to grow them out again. Took me 5 years. Aloe vera really works wonders to grow your brow hair. Now I'm gonna take the gel side, and then I'm just gonna lightly brush everything up. Wow. And I'm doing this like really light-handed because I want them to look natural. I want people to see my brows and be like, is he wearing product? Is he not wearing product? Maybe he's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline.
No, it's Rare Beauty, bitch.
Okay, so with liner time, and I'm using the Perfect Strokes matte liquid liner in the shade black. So let's open this bad girl. Everyone says bad boy, but let's open this bad girl. Let's open this bad gay. Me. Okay, right off the bat, the circumference of the pen, it's thicker than most. And it's a very fine tip.
Which I love.
Let's do this. Every time I record liner, I'm just like, I just get a little shy, I get a little nervous, so. No, but I got this, I got this. I don't like talking during this step, even though I'm talking right now. Okay, so very fine tip, I love it. I'm always so jealous of the people that can do liner in one stroke. Like, what? It takes me like 900 strokes on one eye. How are you gonna tell me you're doing whoop and it's done? Who are you? Jesus? Maybe one day I'll get to the one stroke liner mastery. But as of right now, I'm the 1000 stroke master for, that sounded wrong. I'm the 1000 stroke liner master. Not bad, honestly, not bad. Is it a liner that I would go to on a daily basis?
Probably not.
I feel like for this liner, I would rate it like a 7 out of 10. Hello. So off camera, I did a little inner corner highlight with Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I also put on some lashes. This eye was very difficult, so I'm glad you guys didn't get to see that because I was struggling. And then I added some dark brown eyeshadow on the under eyelids because I feel like when I go out to events, I like my eyes to be piercing through. Gives a little dramatic look, a little je ne sais quoi. But anyways, we're moving on because Rare Beauty sent me not one, not two, but 3 of their liquid pinch liquid blushes. Sorry, I said that wrong. They're soft pinch liquid blushes. So I got the shades Bliss, Encourage, and Happy. They are all different types of vibes. This one is a matte one, so I don't think I'm gonna use this one today, but it's a beautiful color. I'm trying to go for a more like dewy skin-like look. So it's between Encourage and Happy. I think I'm gonna go with Happy. And these blend like a dream. And with this baby, a little goes a long way. And I'm using the ColourPop F21 brush to blend the blush. That was a handful to say. That was a tongue twister. Ooh, it just like, Do you see that right now? I'll just add a little on my nose. I like to take this baby, my beauty blender, to blend out the edges. I think I'm gonna add a little more though. I know a little goes a long way, but I'm going to an event tonight. I'm trying to stunt. Let them know who's coming through. The Michael Pepito. My blush technique is I kind of go towards the temples. It gives like a lifted look. So, yes. Look at that. Just really brings the whole look together. So next up, and one of my favorite steps in any get ready with me, is highlighter. This is the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer, and this is in the shade Mesmerize. This is one of my favorite shades out of all the shades, and it just creates an overall dewy, glowy look. And what I love about this liquid highlighter is that it looks like skin. It just looks like your skin is really healthy. Like, you just finished your skincare routine, or you just like got out of a sauna, or you just finished a workout, and it just makes your skin look so dewy. There's not really glitter in it, so it's more of like a glow from within kind of vibe. Woo! Look at that. Are you kidding me? I'm very impressed. This has also been one of my go-to highlighters, actually. He's glowing. And last but not least, to wrap this baby up, I am ending with the Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm. It is a lip gloss and a lip balm all in one, which I love. I do love a lip gloss moment. And the packaging, very unique shape. I don't know what this shape is called in geometry. Comment down below if you know, but very unique shape. And I feel like with this shade, it really matches my natural lip color. Watch this. Oh my God. And it feels so good. It feels hydrating. It does feel like a lip balm, but I can also tell there is a hint of gloss. It matches my natural lip color so well. And last but not least, I am going to use the Morphe setting spray to set this baby up. Here we have it, the full face of Rare Beauty. We are glowing. We are glistening from within. We are raring it up. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below and join the Beauties and Cuties fam, because there's always space for you here, and we are some of the best people on the internet to date. Also, I want to give a really special thank you to Rare Beauty for this PR package. I feel like it's a dream come true. Ever since Rare Beauty came out in 2020, I just really love the whole brand messaging, the mental health awareness, the inclusivity, and I feel like Rare Beauty products just allow everyone to shine and glisten in their own way. Until next time, Beauties and Cuties, XOXO, Michael Pepito.